Hello everyone, myself Arpita. Today I'll teach you long division method. First, let me tell you what is division. Division is nothing but opposite of multiplication. For example, 4 into 3 equals to 12. 4 3s are 12. It means 12 divided by 3 is 4. Now let's come to the long division. That is, there are three cases. The first is when the first digit of dividend is less than the divisor. Second is when the first digit of dividend is equal to divisor. And the third case is when the first digit of dividend is greater than the divisor. Let's take a first case where the 4 is less than 8. Let's start the solution where we'll write the divisor and dividend at left hand side. Before proceeding the solution, we have to write a table of 8 and we have to begin with 8 zeros are. And after that we have to complete the table of 8. Now as we know 4 is less than 8. So we'll combine the 4 along with the next digit, that is 8, 48. Now we have to see whether 48 comes in a table of 8. So 8 6 are 48. So we'll write 8 6 are 48 and we'll subtract it. 8 minus 8 0, 4 minus 4 0. Here we complete our first step. The next is we'll carry down this next digit 2 and we'll see the 2 is less than 8. So we have to see which is the smaller number of 2 in a table of 8. So here the 8 zeros are the smaller number than 2 in table of 8. So we'll write 8 zeros are 0. 2 minus 0 is 2. We'll carry down the next digit, that is 4. Now 24. We have to see whether 24 comes in a table of 8. That is 8 3s are 24. We'll subtract it. 4 minus 4 is 0. 2 minus 2 is 0. Here our quotient is 603. Our remainder is 0. Let's start our second case, that is 5310 needs to be divided by 5, where 5 is equal to 5. So we'll write divisor inside. Now we have to see whether 5 comes in table of 5 or not. So 5 ones are 5. We'll subtract it. Then we'll carry down our next digit, that is 3. Now we have to see that 3 is smaller than 5. So we have to see immediate the next smaller number, that is 5 zeros are 0. 3 minus 0 is 3. We'll carry down our next digit to, that is 1. Now 31 we have to see in the table of 5. So 31 is not coming in the table of 5. So we have to see the next smaller number, that is 5 6 are 30. So 5 6 are 30. 1 minus 0 is 1. 3 minus 3 is 0. We'll carry down our next digit, that is 0. Now 10. So 5 2s are 10. We'll subtract it. 0 0. Here our quotient is 1062 and our remainder is 0 0. Third case is 7802 divided by 6, where 7 is greater than 6. Let's do the solution. 7802 divided by 6. Here 6 is smaller than 7. So easily it will come in the table of 6. So 6 ones are 6. 7 minus 6 is 1. We carry down our next digit, that is 8. Now 18. So 6 3s are 18. We'll subtract it. 0 0. We'll carry down our next digit, that is 0. Now we have to see where the 0 comes in table of 6. So we have started the table with 6 zeros are 0. It will help you to write 6 zeros are 0. 0 minus 0 is 0. We have to carry down our next digit, that is 2. Now the 2 is, we have to see the smaller number of 2 in a table of 6. So it is again 6 zeros are 0. So 2 minus 0 is 2. Here our quotient is 1300 and our remainder is 2. Now there are important points to be remembered for solving the division. The first is you must know or able to create the table of given divisor. Means tables from 2 to 20 must be on your tip for the faster calculation. Second is consider the tables from zeros term instead of ones and use the sum where the divisor is greater than copied dividend part. The third is each digit of the dividend is a part of your quotient and quotient is needed to be solved. Thank you and have a very nice day.